guys, if y'all join me for decorating this tree, y'all come along and I'm going to show you how to add a different color to what you have here and to build on your collection. You can change it up a little bit. Always, if you ever take anything off your tree, you can you have a lot of a color, a lot of a product, you want to do something a little different. I'm going to show you how you can take another color, add it to the base of what you have here, and you're only taking off a few things on it, okay? So the first thing that I want to take off on this tree is it's going to be, I'm going to take this gold ribbon off right here for just a minute. I'm not saying I'm not going to use it, but I'm going to take it off, okay? I'm going to add chocolate, and I'm going to add a little bit of champagne. So I'm going to do gold and champagne to this tree, and I'm going to do a little bit of a cream color to it as well. So I'm going to take my gold ribbon, my laser gold, which is a beautiful, beautiful ribbon. Okay, the next thing I'm going to take off, this gold finial. Okay. This customer wants a little bit of cream color. So cream, champagnes, browns are what we want to put in here, along with some reds. Okay, so the cream color that I have, here's some chocolate brown, but I have this cream colored ribbon right here, okay? So I'm gonna add some of this into this tree. I'm gonna use the red, okay? I'm gonna keep with the red because the red is my base color. I may remove a little bit more gold. I'm gonna keep these larger gold ornaments because I'm gonna add in a little bit of champagne into it. I want some gold on here, but I may take out a few of the gold sprays. Let me add in just a little bit of this cream ribbon right here, okay? Okay, I'm going to take out this red ornament, but I am going to put it back in there, okay? Take out this one, and I'm going to take out this one. I'm going to take out this curtain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Taking out this. One. So what I'm doing is I'm standing back and I'm looking at this tree, okay? I've decorated it, so, but if I was gonna add in this ribbon into it, when I done this tree, I probably would have started at the top and added in a little bit of this cream color with my red, okay? But right now, I'm just finding a spot that I want to add in some of this cream. So I'm just going to do the exact same thing that I did with the other. I'm going to make me a loop, and I'm going into my tree. I'm taking those tines of that tree, and I'm wrapping it around that, okay? See that cream color popping in there? Woo! Some beautiful, beautiful ribbon. Y'all don't come after me in the comments about my scissors. I'm not going to poke myself. If I sit down, the scissors go out. If I step, the scissors go out. They don't come in. I'm never going to fall back. And if I do, I'm probably not going to hit the scissors. Disclaimer.
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 It's going to happen today.
It's going to happen today. Promise that, Morgan. Don't be cheating. Okay. I'm going to work on that top a little bit. I'm going to take my lycopodium out right here. I'm going to take this red. I'm going to push it to the other side. Take my poinsettia. I'm going to take this red. And I'm going to this side with my red. See how my loop's going over to the side over here? loop with this. All of this product can be shopped at TMIGifts.com. If you're joining us and you have any comments or you have any questions about this tree, please leave it in the comments. Y'all like and subscribe to our YouTube page and all of our socials. Try not to work, let the ribbon work you, you work the ribbon. Okay, I'm going in right in, I'm gonna take this out for just 1 minute, okay? And I'm gonna go in behind this ornament ball right here. Tuck in, I'm going deep into those branches. Just to grab a hold of one. And I'm just twisting those tines of the branches around. Ornament ball there. Okay, can you see this cream around there, you guys?
Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe.
I think it needs to be there though.
It needs some more in it. It'll get redone next year. I don't know. She puts this up decorated, right?
Mm-hmm.
She's gonna donate it to somebody. Okay, you guys, if you're watching this here, I just want to put in a little bit of this cream color in here. Now we're going to go in with some chocolate. I only took a few pieces out. I am going to add a few of those pieces that I took out back in. So like this poinsettia here, I want to place it back right here, where that's at, instead of on the back side. I may take these curlies out right here, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to take those curlies out. That's the one thing I wanted to take out was the curlies. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Okay. I took this one piece out, but I'm going to put it back in there in just a minute. I took my finials off. Now I want to come in with some chocolate and some champagne. Now, I've got 3 chocolate poinsettias, okay? I'm going to just place those chocolate poinsettias into the tree. The chocolate poinsettias have just a little bit of champagne in them as well. So if you're joining us, would you have ever put these colors together, the chocolates, the reds, the golds, and the champagnes? Comment it below. So this right here is a Dusty Miller. Love this. I meant to bring my steamer. If you will just add a little bit of a steamer onto this Dusty Miller, it will fall out really, really good. And it's a chocolate color. I'm gonna place that Dusty Miller right into here, up underneath, and some holes. And it's just gonna give us that little pop of chocolate that we need in a few little spots. And then we're gonna come in with a little bit of champagne. And remember, all we done was took the finials out, and we took 1 or 2 other pieces out. Oh, we took the curlies out. The finials and the curlies. So if you love this, you love this kit, get it. It's getting you some good basic pieces at a super good deal. You don't have to pick out the pieces yourself. It's shopping made easy for you. check it out at tmigifts.com, and you can purchase this kit. Use code DYD20 for 20% off. And I think it makes it around $500 less the tree. Now, these chocolate pieces don't come with the kit. The kit is the red and the gold. But this is showing you how you can take that basic kit and add to it. Let me know in the comments what color you would add to this. If you didn't do chocolate and red, what color would you add? This is a Dusty Miller is what this is, a chocolate Dusty Miller. Okay, this is a gold and champagne to give it a little bit more gold and champagne, but I think I have plenty of gold in there. I'm going to take this champagne bay leaf right here, and I'm just going to add a few of those in so that we just get that little pop of champagne, because the customer wants a little bit of champagne in there. And we're pulling some of it in on some of these pieces. And then this is gonna bring it in just a little bit more. Just a little hint of champagne. We love the gold in it. Champagne?
I think so.
And remember, you can always cut off the ends of your sprays if they're too long. I hope this has given everybody some inspiration of how you can take different colors and just layer on. If you've got a good collection, you can always add to it, you can build off of it, but if you get a good basic collection of stuff, you can always make a beautiful tree. Add in another color. I wanted to show you how you could take a beautiful kit and just add in a couple more colors. So we've got the cream, the chocolate, the red, the gold, the champagne, and it all ties in beautifully, y'all. If you're looking for a kit, if you're looking for some good basic pieces that have some good bones to them, this kit is a wonderful kit that you can get. And you can always change it. I could have took the chocolate out and added green into this red and gold. It's so beautiful. It's a great kit. It's a good way for you to start something that's got good quality pieces to it and add to it or change it up every year. Blue would have been beautiful with the red and gold. Green, blue, red, gold. Add some nutcracker ribbon to it. So there's lots of different things that you could do with this kit. So if you get a good basic kit like we have here, DYD20 for this kit. It is Michelle's kit that is Deck Your Decor. So check it out at tmigifts.com and put your spin on it and let us know in the comments what you do.